Caping village or Kampung Caping is a creative tourism spot located along the banks of the Kapuas River in Pontianak Tenggara. The village is known for producing caping, a traditional cone-shaped hats made from natural materials, which are now creatively transformed into modern crafts and decorations. Visitors can join hands on activities such as making cupping, canoeing, fishing, and enjoying scenic boat rides on the river. The village also promotes traditional Malay cuisine, including local favorites like bumbu and saprahan. Once considered a slum area, the riverside has been revitalized through community efforts with colourful murals, clean paths, and themed decorations. The transformation is driven by over a dozen community groups working in arts, environment, small business, and tourism. Caping village also supports cultural preservation, offering dance classes for traditional Malay Japin and hosting regular performances. Key highlight is the restored Rumah Sagar Budaya Haja Salma, a heritage Malay house that hosts cultural events and community workshops. It has become a symbol of urban revival, turning a neglected riverside into a vibrant, self-sustaining destination. With its mix of culture, creativity, and river life, Kampung Caping offers a rich, interactive experience for both locals and tourists.